February 9th, 2017. National Weather Service site. Look at these circles here in California on the radar, and then that beam, and then this starts to get bigger. Look at that. Now on here it says it's the 10th because it's after midnight. Oops. Look at that one more time, and then we'll go to another site. Look, see the circle, circle. A lot of rain, and there's another one now. You see that full. Okay, so here now in telecast, these mean that it's a storm, which we already know. But the radar does look strange. See, that looks weird to me. Let's see what the clouds look like with it. We have this gigantic thing here, and then look at this up here. This looks really weird too. What the heck is that? Actually, I love the way this stuff looks. Okay, let's see what kind of earthquakes are going on. All the red ones are the last 6 hours. And if you just click on them, they'll give you the intensity. Look at this, how this looks. We have all this cloud and everything, and then supposedly it's completely clear up here. And look at this fancy cake decoration. Isn't that interesting? Let's go back this way. Let's see. Oh, what's this here? Tropical storm. Okay, let's see what else we see. Okay, so now I'm on the College of DuPage. And we can zoom in here a little bit. Take a look at that somewhat. That's really intriguing how that does that. Let's click on the next red sites here, and it'll show us. So let's just go to that one. And let's make it blue. So I've got it on this one right here. And there's it's coming out of there. There's the timestamp. It's intriguing. Let's see what it looks like under storm relative. Oh, this is much more fun. Same area, but let's slow this down just a little. Keys over here, but oh, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. That's a lot of energy and a big system going on there. Intriguing. So I'm back on the College of DuPage, and one of the things that I like about here is that when we go down, we've got other little things that we can do, such as look at supercell composite. You can see build up here, a little bit there. Okay, we can excuse me. We can look at watches and warnings. You can see this whole west coast area is under watch and warning for thunderstorms and floods. Little tiny bit here. The purple is winter storm. Very intriguing system happening out here. And I live right here, and it's actually quite beautiful with the clouds and the moon tonight. Okay, I'm on the infrared satellite for Northern Hemisphere under College of DuPage. And I just want to say that I firmly believe, here's the timestamp, that when we see all sorts of quirky stuff happening, like we'll see the lines, we'll see some of this cut back, we'll see it get black, it's not a glitch in the satellite system. I believe it's a shadow of energy being injected into the atmosphere. And you'll see what I'm talking about, like there. This thing here. Maybe I've got it set too slow. Speed it up just a little so you don't go out of your mind. That. All those things I think are energy being put into the atmosphere, some kind of weather testing, changing system. Okay, now it's right back at the beginning. So that's my belief, and that's what I'm showing to you. I'm grateful for you, and I'm here at your service. That, as it moves on. You know, it's not that storms aren't natural, but it's that people are playing with stuff. Just like genetic modification. It's not that plants aren't naturally growing, it's just that there's not usually fish and tomato DNA combined in normal life. It's the same thing with the weather. Okay, and just a little thing I want to add on the end of here. February full moon, 2017 snow moon eclipse. It's on space.com. There's a little video that talks about what's going on, and then it says it'll be no ordinary full moon. Just 10 minutes after the full moon peaks, so will a penumbral lunar eclipse. The moon will spend more than 4 hours coasting through Earth's outer shadow, called the penumbra, and it will appear darker than normal. Then also here is an article about a green comet and snow moon eclipse team up for skywatchers. So tomorrow night, it should be a cool night to be looking up. Alright. And I have the link for this PDF, Weather Modification Operations in California, October 1st, 1963 to September 30th, 1964. I thought you might find this interesting, that it was so long ago. And you can see, like, the typing even is from the old typewriters. But here they have active licenses, modification operations, approximate target of area weather, calendar. Okay, so then we go down. Gentlemen, weather modification operations in California reports upon project operations conducted during this period by agencies licensed by the state. This is the latest of a series of similar reports which have been published periodically since 1955. Okay, so let's just look at that real quick here. Let's go down. It's taking a really long time to load. The continuing growth and development of the nation is accompanied by increasing requirements for water for additional and more intensively irrigated land, for expanding industry, for growing cities, for greater recreational facilities and for increased hydroelectric power development. This report presents a summary of all weather modification projects. Okay, so to 1964. Let's get down to it. So I'm going to talk about the weather and what it was like. And flight time for airborne disbursement was about 242 hours. 6 operators used silver iodide as a nucleating agent for ground-based generators, and 1 used non-toxic metallic haloids in an experimental project. Nucleating agents used in airborne disbursements were dry ice, solidified carbon dioxide, silver iodide, and assorted non-toxic metallic haloids. During this period, an estimated 175,832 grams or 388 pounds of silver iodide, 2,427 pounds of haloids, and 139 pounds of dry ice were released. I'm going to move down and shut this off for a minute and then turn it back on. So here's a list of who had the licenses during that period. North American Weather Consultants, Water Resources Development Corporation, Weather Modification Company, Precipitation Control Company of California, North American Weather Consultants of California, Los Angeles County Flood Control District, Atmospherics Incorporated, San Bernardino Valley Municipal Water District, Pacific Gas and Electric, International Weather Control Incorporated, and KRC Service Corporation. And then they include this map here, which is sort of difficult. Oh, not all that difficult to read. Okay. And they have other graphs on here. And then here they have the Division of Water Code, regulation of rainmaking and rain prevention. So for the person that copied this came out of the Library of the University of California, Davis. And there's a code here for the book or pamphlet. This is a little article by Johnny Miku that's talking about is cloud seeding dangerous? Chronic ingestion of iodides may produce iodidism, which may be manifested by skin rash, runny nose, headache, and irritation of the mucous membranes. Weakness, anemia, loss of weight, and general depression may occur. Chronic inhalation or ingestion may cause argyria, characterized by blue-gray discoloration of the eye, skin, and mucous membranes. The Office of Environment, Health, and Safety, UC Berkeley, rates silver iodide as a Class C, non-soluble, inorganic, hazardous chemical that pollutes water and soil. It has been found to be highly toxic to fish, livestock, and humans. Numerous medical articles demonstrate that humans absorb silver iodide through the lungs, nose, skin, and GI tract. Mild toxicity can cause GI irritation, renal and pulmonary lesions, mild argyria, blue or black discoloration of the skin. Severe toxicity can result in hemorrhagic gastroenteritis, shock, enlarged heart, severe argyria, and death by respiratory depression. That sounds pretty not healthy. And up here, this line, among harmful effects, salt is toxic to the water and land. Some states, such as Colorado, have outlawed the use of salting icy roads. This link will be below. Alternate by Southern California's new cloud seeding project has conspiracy theories in a frenzy, written by Renard Loki. It's got great stuff in it, and my thing is about to end. Look at this part though here. Thank you. Bye-bye.